Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Trello effectively. Whether you're managing a project, coordinating a team, or keeping your tasks organized, Trello is a versatile tool that helps you stay on track and productive. First, head over to Trello.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. The sign-up process is simple. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready in no time. Once logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Workspace. Workspaces are the foundation of your Trello experience, serving as a home for all your boards and team collaborations. Give your workspace a relevant name like Marketing Team and choose the type that best describes it. You'll also have the option to add team members, but this can be skipped and done later. Now let's create boards within your workspace. Boards are where your projects and tasks live. Click Create New Board. Give it a memorable name such as Content Calendar and select a background color or image that inspires you. Once your board is ready, it's time to add lists. Lists are vertical columns representing stages of a workflow. Common examples are to do, doing, and done. Simply click Add a List and title it accordingly. Next, add cards. Cards represent individual tasks or items in your lists. Click Add a Card under the relevant list. For example, you might have a card titled Write Blog Post in your to-do list. Clicking on a card opens options to add descriptions, due dates, attach files or links, add labels, checklists, and even assign team members. You can also leave comments for better collaboration. As your tasks progress, simply drag and drop cards between lists. This updates the status of your projects and keeps your team informed in real time. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough to get started with Trello, explore its features, organize your tasks efficiently, and make the most of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful productivity tips and tutorials.